working with the Greenhouse Group has been an amazing experience, and there's lots of steps, but we were able to get through all of it and have a really spectacular experience. I mean, we got into our house within, I'm going to say, a month and a half from the point of searching to actually moving in. It's quick but fun, and the Greenhouse Group has been instrumental in making that happen for us. So we're very, very happy and very pleased to be working with the Greenhouse Group.
Yeah, I totally agree. It was an interesting process. It started out, Helen and I had really unique requirements for what we're looking for in a home, between square footage and office space for me, yards, things, space for our dogs. So we had a lot of specific requirements we were looking for, and when we met with Jesse, one, we were blown away because when we met with him, how he had it set up, we actually met, and first of all, he provides everything to you literally on a silver platter. You've got name cards for you, it goes on and on. When you talk about personalized service, there's no one that's going to deliver for you or to you what Jesse does. It's just not going to happen. So right off the bat, everything's on a first name basis. They have everything lined up for you. You go in, you meet, he runs through your requirements, what you're looking for in a home. Our meeting was kind of interesting because we not only laid all these insane requirements for the size of a home and yard and all these things, but then in addition to that, we laid a really crazy time frame on him that, hey buddy, you've got to find it in San Diego County, it has to be at this price, and in addition to that, we need to find it within the next 45 days or less. So I thought we gave him a pretty monumental task, but he was up for it, he rose to it, and he and his team stepped up. And when it comes to customer service, they're literally second to none. I've been around a lot of real estate agents in my career and in my life, and there's no one that delivers customer service. For example, he sent us out on our first home tour with, I believe it was Shelly, and she literally spent 5.5 hours walking us through homes. There was no sense of urgency that, hey, you need to hurry up and we got to get out of here because I've got to get home to my daughter. She actually had to leave her daughter for us for over half a day. But driving around, finding the homes, looking around, it was fantastic. They have a process set up where if you follow the process and you just let it go, it goes really well for you. And there's a million things. Like I said, we put the requirements out for Jesse and his team that were really high, but we then made it even harder. I had Jesse and his team tracking down things like permitting on potential extra bedrooms, and then looking for sewer line permitting, and then looking for, the leach lines. It just didn't end, and his team never squawked about it, never complained. Instead, it was, yep, we're on it, we're looking for it, we're going to do what we can for you, and it was always yes, and it was always done with a smile. And the other thing is, I had the pleasure of working with Jesse through the process. It's like every time I saw him, the guy was bringing me gifts. So at the home inspection, he shows up and he's got a toolkit for me, and it just goes on and on. We've had nothing but a fantastic experience. Couldn't possibly say more glowing things about him and his team, and from everything from being cutting edge with technology to being the most friendly, loving, caring, genuine, enthusiastic, just sincere people who are full of positivity. You can't go wrong. The only way you go wrong is if you go with someone else. But really, I would just,
anybody else.
Yeah, I would just strongly suggest, if you want to make life simple, and if buying a home is a very stressful process on so many levels, and if you want to make it easy and you want to make it simple, call the Greenhouse Group, talk to Jesse and his team, have them get it done for you. They're going to make it simple. They'll work with you on your terms, and you'll get it done, and you're going to be successful at the end. You'll get the home you want in the time frame you want, and him and his team will seal the deal for you. Trust in them, and they'll make it happen.
Thank you, Jesse.
Thanks, Jesse.